The effect was a little bit more subtle, just to add a little bit of extra depth and a little bit of like flavor and life to some of the portraits. In some of the images, when you reflect a little bit too much, it can be a little bit too trippy, personally, I think. Maybe you like that look, and depending on the kind of like style you're going for, it can have its uses too. Me personally, I did like it when it was a bit more subtle. I would absolutely love to use it again in the future for like a night portrait shoot. I think when it's dark and you've got like a fast lens, nice bokeh, a lot of like ambient light or like neon lights, or maybe in a place like an arcade, I think there you could get very, very creative with it. But do hit the sub button, because I'm sure in the future we'll put out a video of that. You can also get a very similar effect using a CD. So if you've got a CD lying around the house and you don't want to pay £10 for a prism, try the CD. There are photographers like Brandon Wolford on Instagram who use the CD to create effects. So definitely give it a try, put it in front of your lens and see what you can come up with. Personally, I wouldn't use the prism every single day or bring it to every shoot that I go on. Depending on the style and the effect you're going for though, it can be very, very handy to use. I can also see it being handy if you're sort of feeling a little bit stuck. Maybe you're shooting in the same location you've been using like a million times with the same model. You just want to add something a little bit extra, give it a little X factor. Definitely use it to just get a bit more creative with your portraits. And actually, I thought some of the images that we got from it were really cool. So yeah, a productive day out. I think that's pretty much gonna do it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you liked the video, please do give it a like and hit the sub button if you want to see more of us in the future. We do appreciate all the love and support. Don't forget to like and follow us on Facebook and Instagram, all that good stuff. One more thank you to Manila for helping us out with the video. And yeah, I guess we'll see you on the next one. So ciao for now.